So this week at Luthier School, we were supposed to learn the rule of 18, and unfortunately, I had to go move my car and do some things, and Tom explained it to me again, and guess what? I didn't get it. In the back of my head, I hear, like, from the movie Big, you know, the guy mocking Tom Hanks saying, I didn't get it, I don't get it. In any case, went back, did a little research, and now I get it. So basically, they take the scale length, which is from the nut to the bridge, and take that number and divide it by 18 back in the day. And they kept getting successive increments for each fret. So it's really not 18, it's the 12th root of 2 divided by the 12th root of 2 minus 1, to be specific. But in any case, came up with a little Excel sheet. I saw some Excel sheets and Java versions of where you can find how to find the frets. But what I really wanted was something that would draw those frets for me, because I know that there's going to be some error in me trying to mark out paper and then draw a line. So what I thought was, well, if I had it drawn out on the computer, I could kind of mask it down and cut those frets out the way I want. And then going further, now I'm designing this new guitar, and I'm saying to myself, well, I really don't know what scale that I'm going to end up using, so wouldn't it be nice if I could just come up with something that drew a scale length depending on whatever I wanted. So that's exactly what I did here. I use Visio, and I use Visio for work a lot, so I'm really familiar with it and spent about maybe 6 hours on it. So here it is, and this is indicating basically the nut. I can zoom in here and you'll see it says nut. And if I zoom back out, you'll see the bridge here, and you'll also see the tailpiece. I'm not sure if I've got this one working right, but basically right now I have it very close to the Rickenbacker bass that I have. So the scale length is 33.25, 20 frets, and I don't know if I have all this information correct, but it's in there. And basically this is a huge sheet of paper. I think it's 32 by 44 or something, so the scale is 1:1. And if I went to Staples and had them printed out for me, it should be exactly correct. So what I can do from here is basically I can leave I'm not worried about the tailpiece yet, but I can go ahead and do a standard Les Paul. So I'll type in 24.75, and those, you'll see everything dynamically moves here. So my bridge, let's go back again here. So it was at 33 1/4. That's the Rick one, right? And everything just kind of squashed in here. I moved the bridge and I move all these frets just from that scale length. So let's go again, 24.75. Okay, so I get much closer in here. Then I only had 20 frets on the bass, and Les Paul is 22. You'll actually see I go up to 23 because I just want to see where the end is going to be. I've got a width of 1.695, and then I've got a width at the 12th fret of 2.062. So now you can see I have automatically created a Les Paul scale length with 22 frets out on the computer. I can print this out, and then if I wanted to go to Paul Reed Smith, I could go ahead and do 25. They either do 22 or 24. Let's say 24 here, and this was 1 1/16. So you'll see I'll take the fractions too and work them out for you. So kind of cool thing, I'm thinking, and basically what I'm going to do soon at some point is I'll be able to right click here and you'll see Gibson Les Paul standard. Right now I only have the scale length in for that, but it'll go ahead and change that. So I'll put all the values in here and I'll be able to pick whatever guitar I want. And boom, automatically it'll create that drawing for that guitar. So that's what I did for this Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Pretty cool stuff. I think it'll definitely help me in designing this next guitar. Thanks for watching. Bye.